What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to reset the oil life after an oil change on a 2023 Buick Envision. After an oil change, you want to make sure that you reset your oil life back to 100% so that you're accurately calculating your next oil change. In order to do that, we need to be in the vehicle with it running. And then I'm only going to be using these buttons on the right-hand side of the steering wheel here. So depending on where you're starting from, you're going to want to scroll right or left and keep scrolling right or left until we get to the information menu, this one that is an I. Once we're on the information menu, then I'm going to use this roller button here. Roll that button down and keep scrolling until we get to the oil life percentage right there. Once we have the oil percentage up, I'm going to press that roller button in. And then it's going to ask, are you sure you want to reset? I'm going to arrow over to yes. And then press this button in. And as you can see there, it's been reset back to 100%. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.